guys, it's of course here by Alexandrus, and you already know me guys that whenever there is something cool happening within crypto or within exchanges that I like, I'm trying to be first one to cover it before anybody else jumps on it. And today we have something really cool. It's the fact that now BingX has CFD trading, and it's actually pretty cool, and I managed to test it as well and make some nice profit, guys. Before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that said, we can jump into this video, guys. So first things first, let me quickly explain to you what CFDs actually are. So BingX CFD contracts are derivative trading products that allow users to trade global traditional financial market price movements without holding physical assets. So through a single account, users can participate in diverse markets, including gold, Forex, stock indices, and commodities. And by combining leverage mechanisms with professional MT5 trading ecosystem, users can capture global market opportunities with lower barriers to entry and higher efficiency. And it's super easy to get started with it, guys. So you know, if you are tired of having your funds locked purely in crypto during slow market cycles like we have right now, for example, or dealing with tedious bank transfers, strict fiat limits, repeating KYC just to trade gold or Forex on traditional platforms, or if you are basically trader, then you manage probably multiple brokerages across different markets, and it's a big hassle. And here, guys, on BingX you have everything in one place. It's like your one-stop shop with zero fee mode as well, 500x leverage, low spreads, 100+ pairs, and customized commissions. As you can see, they have a lot of markets, and probably somewhere in the background right now you can also see some of my trades which came to be successful, as I said, and it's pretty cool. So CFD, guys, obviously stands for contract for difference. If you want to access it, if you are on the BingX's CFD trading page, you just have to go to TradFi here and CFD. Just like that, you click on it, very simple, guys, and then you can choose whichever market you want to trade from this. So you have gold here, for example. Then you also have different ones like oil and a bunch of other ones as well. And yeah, here you can even see my executed trades completed. And as you can see, boom, short in profit and two longs in profit as well. So I was kind of testing it. What is cool is that you can also insta buy here, and obviously you can buy on market price or trigger price. So whenever it drops to certain price or goes up to certain price, you can just basically purchase on whichever price you want. So let's say you want to do an order size of 25%, you hit sell in this case. If you want to short it, estimated margin 15 USDX. If you want to transfer your funds into the CFD account, you just click here, you have available margin, you have those two arrows here, transfer, and then whichever account you are using, fund account, spot account. I have everything in my CFD account, so that's what it is. But basically, if you have something in your funding, on your spot, or in your futures, then you will be able to transfer it to your CFD account, just as I did prior to making the video when I was also testing it. And you just place your trade. You can also set up your stop loss, your take profits, and other stuff like that, guys. Some key highlights also are the fact that cash settlement is for great efficiency. The profits and losses are settled based on price differences without physical asset delivery, obviously. So it's making the trading process simpler and more efficient. And there is also leverage boosts capital efficiency. Through a margin system, traders can control larger positions with smaller capital, but you guys know how leverage works, so I don't think I need to explain that too deeply. So you have 500x leverage here, same with gold, guys, and you also have a bunch of Forex stock indices, such as S&P, for example, and you have 500x leverages here, which is pretty good. Pretty good. I feel like this will in fact close in green today, so I can go ahead and long the S&P as well for 23 bucks, for example. So yeah, that's just easy, simple, and cool, And that's literally how easy it is to start trading CFDs on BingX, guys. When it comes to all the risk management, there is flexible strategies, support hedging, trend trading, arbitrage. And also, if you are an experienced trader or if you know how to trade the news and politics, then you can really utilize it, especially with oil. I mean, oil trading has been just like meme coins lately, which is crazy to say. But I think that I've got a point here, to be totally honest with you. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. So yeah, you have also the tiered margin system, liquidation protection, take profits, stop losses, everything that you need. There is professional ecosystem, file support for MT5 integration and EA automated trading strategies, guys. So you pretty much have everything. And as I said, all the pairs here, metals, stock indices, Forex, commodities, everything you really need. And USDX is basically the representation of your USDT. So if you transfer your USDT, it will be represented as USDX, which is basically one-to-one with USDT. Simple as that as well, guys. So if you are interested in joining, and there is a special launch event on August 10th. Also, there will be a special launch event on BingX, so make sure you check that one out as well. You can click the link in my description as well, or pinned comment down below to register on BingX. You can try BingX CFD today and claim 2 free mystery boxes. There is 100% win rate on that. No risk, everything is risk-free. And yeah, I think that's basically it, guys, for today. You can go ahead and join. The link will be in the description. Remember, you can get free 2 mystery boxes, so definitely worth checking it out. Hope you enjoyed, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos coming out soon.